Hello guys. So today we had to see with the one more interview question, the scenario. So the scenario is mainly identify the products that have not been sold in the last 6 months. So what are all the products not been sold in the last 6 months and their stock levels are exceed the reorder threshold. Okay. So for this scenario, mainly focusing on the inventory. So to analyze the sales and using the conditional logic to identify the actionable insights. So tips are mainly first we had to join the tables. So that join the tables called as to combine the product data with sales data, okay, and filtering the data. So using the date functions, we had to filter the last 6 months data and aggregation. So aggregation is mainly aggregate the sales data to check if a product has been sold within the time frame, okay, and stock comparison also. So let's look into this one. I'm using the two tables. One is the product table and sales table. I'm dropping the two tables. So let's create with first product table. And for the product table, we had to insert the data. So that is product table called as product ID, product name, stock level, reorder threshold. So 5 records I'm inserting. And coming to sales table, let's create that sales table. And for sales table to insert the data, 5 records. So let's check with the data, product table and sales table. Okay. So for product ID, product name, stock level, reorder threshold. So sale ID, product ID, sale date. So product ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have get this data. Now what we can do? So we'll try to write the query. So the query is mainly we'll write step by step first. So for this, first step number 1 is to find the filters. So like I'll write the here. Step 1, first filter products with no sales in the last 6 months. Okay. So 6 months data called as mainly first we'll get with select from sales table. For this sales table, filter the records. So where sale date greater than or equals to date add, not date bucket, date add of month comma -6 comma get date. Okay. So we are getting with filtering last 6 months data. Okay. Now for this distinctive products we had to take. So first let's check with the product what are all the products are available. So let's product ID is okay. So first check with the product ID 1, 2. Okay. So for this I will try to write as distinct product. So we have the product ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I think distinct product also not required. We'll remove this distinct. Okay. 1, 2. So now, so this entire thing we have to put in the CTE part with last 6 month sale as open the brace and close here. Okay, up to this one with the last 6 months sale. Okay, right. Now I'll try to write with select part, select from product P left join. So left join is I'm joining with CTE part. Okay. So this is sales. I'll consider as S on. So here on condition is P dot product ID equals to S dot product ID. Okay. Yes, P dot product ID, S dot product ID. let's execute this one first. We are writing select part, right? Star I'll write. Product ID. Yes, dot product ID. Oh, okay. Product ID underscore, not underscore. Okay. Now we'll see. Okay. So product ID, I'm getting null. So these three records, I'm getting 3, 4, 5. Keyboard, printer, and monitor. I'm getting the null. Okay. So now I will write the select part. So for this select part, p dot product ID, comma p dot product name, p dot stock level, p dot reorder threshold. Okay. Now again I will execute. Okay. So product ID, product name, stock level, reorder threshold. I'm getting this one. So this entire thing will write the condition. So the condition is mainly where product ID is null, where s dot product ID is null, or else capital letter also fine. Okay, now okay, so we are getting 3 records, 3, 4, 5. Already we seen the product ID is null. Okay, now we'll go ahead with step 2. Step 2 is filter products with stock levels exceeding reorder threshold. Okay, so for this, just I'll write the entire thing in the this one copy. I have not done any big changes. Okay, so just for this step 2 is we are applying filter products with stock levels exceeding the reorder threshold. So for this, already I have applied with this entire thing. So with CTE, CTE joining here. Okay, up to this one CTE part. After then product table and CTE part, I'm joining, left to join, and where s dot product ID is null. Now and p dot stock level greater than p dot reorder threshold. One more condition I'm just applying, the filter products with stock levels and exceeding the reorder threshold. Okay, now we'll see. Okay, so product ID 3 and 4, keyboard and printer. Okay, so this is the scenario about with identify the products that have not been sold in the last 6 months and their stock levels exceeded the reorder threshold. Okay, thank you for watching. And so if you like the content, please like and subscribe. If you know any other alternate method, please write in the video comment. Let's discuss. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.